So now we got a chart on the New Zealand dollar, 4 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. Looks to be going down in this range here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a buy stop right on that psychological level down here at 0.633. That's what I'm gonna do. 0.633, and then I'm gonna set it for 24 hours. Let me see here. And I'm going to add let's see here. A stop at 0.6225 sounds about right. Yep. Let's set this order. And we're going to see how that works out here. Anyway, that's my trade for today. Stay tuned for more. Let me know what you think about it.